Nos cansamos de escuchar que los inquilinos llaman a mantenimiento y no llegan, no responden. Cuando nos unimos somos más fuertes.
They are all together asking, please renew all apartments, because we know they have been doing a lot of work in some apartments, but our goal is everybody have a good apartment right now.
Unido jamás será vencido. Se vive, se siente, la mancha está presente. Se vive, se siente, la mancha está presente. Se siente, la mancha está presente.
It seems to me that the office has decided that they want to play the "we're trying to change things" card this time. Before, they were just insistent on saying that there's no issue, nothing's going on. Now they acknowledge that there's an issue and they're saying they're fixing it. But you know, we just turned in 62 repair requests and it doesn't seem that this issue is like being fixed, because you know, these repair requests, we started filling them in since a few weeks ago. Saturday we called everyone just to make sure that these requests had been, like, see if they've been listened to. Like, only one person was like, yeah, they actually came in and fixed my things.
¿Qué queremos? Apartamento renovado. ¿Cuándo? Ahora. ¿Dónde? Están poniendo los ratones cuando usted los encuentra en la noche y les enciende la luz.
We are not here to fight. We are not here to we just want to be formal and polite and just give the tenants repair request that we have here. We have 62, and I guess we have to just put it in the mailbox if they don't want to open. So.
Soy una inquilina de La Mancha y queremos apartamento renovado.